Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Home is where the heart is. A peaceful serenity awaits you with this brand new 3-bedroom, 5-bathroom, semi-detached contemporary townhouse located in the charming community of Sherbourne Heights, Stony Hill, St. Andrew. Embrace comfort and modern living and cool temperatures for you and your family. As you enter, you will be greeted by a bright and open floor plan, featuring a cozy living room with large windows that allows plenty of natural light to fill the space. The kitchen is a chef's dream. It's perfect for preparing delicious meals and entertaining guests. The private backyard provides a serene setting for outdoor relaxation while overlooking the cool hills. The primary bedroom boasts a walk-in closet and a modern ensuite bathroom, offering a private retreat for the homeowners. The lot size of this house is 0.11 acres. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this townhouse is Jamaican 70 million or US $454,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.